my way to the Halong Bay, but right now I'm stopped by at this supermarket, take a break. It's so hard and difficult to ride a motorbike at the middle day. Also, you need to wear your jacket, otherwise you will get sunburn. It's so painful. So after take a break, let's hit the road again. Left 1 hour driving to the Halong Bay. Finally, my motorbike need to refill the gas. And right now, it already refill, and then let's hit the road again. So I start at the bridge, but in front of me, the view is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys. Check out. How beautiful this sunset. I'm riding motorbike around the Halong city today. And then behind me, let's Halong Bay. Let's amusement park in the Halong city. And my first inspiration about the Halong city is here. Very tourist place, because as you can see, hotel everywhere and street extremely busy. I think because Halong Bay is one of the 7 wonders of the world, so people, it's very easy to get here. So right now this city become very famous and popular. So it's filled in all the tourists, travelers everywhere. But tomorrow, I will teleport to visit the Halong Bay and check out how amazing the Halong Bay is. So it's boat adventure time. I'm very excited. Right now I'm standing on the deck and surrounded by this remarkable view, Halong Bay. So I'm at the boat right now, and they are my new friend Andrew and Sarah. They are from Canada, and we took a 1 day tour trip and to row on the Halong Bay, and maybe we will do some kayaking and see some remarkable stone and cliff. And let's see how amazing this Halong Bay is. Worth it. He called 17 wonder of the world. So our tour, the first stop is Senso Cave. Senso is also means surprise. So here is a large cave in the Halong Bay. It's amazing. you can see around all the remarkable work by the nature. So if you come to the Halong Bay, definitely need to try the kayaking here. It's amazing, and just do some sport and see this incredible view. Here is Kita Island. It's a last star of the one-day tour trip, and you can hiking up here, this island, and see the 360 degree of the Halong Bay, and you can see the view is so amazing.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeling your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. No. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause I'd start over.
So we just arrived the city and officially finished the one-day tour trip. So after one-day tour trip, and I changed my course and try to find a secret viewpoint in the Halong Bay. And right now I'm in this small alley, and we will hiking up the mountain to see all the Halong Bay view. So this alley actually in some people's building. So if you want to visit his place, you need to pay a tip, and everyone asks for the money here. Oh fuck! Fuck! My cough! My cough!
No, you need to lay down more flat towards get your glasses.
See the rock? It's so difficult to hiking, but if you hike up, you got this view, all the Halong Bay. I'm so sweaty. I made it! I made it! Check out this view. Behind me is Halong Bay. How amazing is this?
Amazing.
Yes. So here, I stand here. It's top of the Halong city, and if you want to go up for this mountain, and you need to pay a little tip at the entrance. So basically, it's a little expensive. But according to the website, just need to pay the 10,000. I don't know why. Maybe we got scammed. But it's worth it. Check out. Ooh. Halong Bay.